Although let's talk about the maximum number of coin you can get. So there are 3 on pile, and then you have to satisfy this constraint. So you have 3 people to pick, and then the first one will always pick the largest, and then you will be the second one, will pick after the first person, and then you'll pick the second largest, and then the last person will pick the last one for sure, right? And here we go. So let's talk about how you actually do it. So if you're given an array, and then this is a triplet, right? And then this is the first person, this is second person, this is the third person pick, right? So we don't want to care about the first one. We don't want to care about the last one. We have to care about ourselves. How to return the maximum number of coin you can have. Basically, you sort this array, and then for every single time when you for every single time you pick, right, you decrement by 2. So this is a strategy, and this is pretty helpful. So the sorting array is going to be 1, 2, 2, 4, 7, 8, right? So after I sort this array, I have a pointer at myself, and I have a pointer for the first person, and then I don't care about the largest coin person pick. I care about the last person and me. So if these 2 pointers cross each other, which means I already finished the array, right? So let me just quickly just do the example. So let me change my color to this one. So this is the last person pick, right? And then and this is me. So I pick 7. So I don't care about 8. So after I pick this number, I'm going to decrement the pointer by 2 units. So it's going to be what, this color, right? And then I'll point it here, right? So and this pointer will increment by 1 unit. So this is a trick, right? So let me just quickly draw a diagram. So 178 was the first triplet, right? And the next triplet was going to be 224, right? So I'm going to pick 2, right? So I'm going to pick 2 and plus 2, and then equal to 9, right? And then if I move decrement by 2, decrement by 2 on the left, so this will be it, right? And then this pointer will increment 1 unit, so they will cross, right? If the pointers are cross each other, then you don't have to worry about it. You just have to return the number you add up, right? So I pointed at 0, and then pile dot length, and I don't start with what? Wait, j, sorry, j equal to pile dot length. I don't start with last index. I start with second last. All right, and I need the sum equal to 0, and then what? And then I need to sort this array, right? Sort the pile, right? And while I is less than j, right? And then I'll just keep adding the pile at j, right? And then j will decrement by 2 union, and I increment by 1. And then this is pretty much a solution, so I will return sum. And this is the maximum number you can get. Okay, this is comma. And yes. Right, let's talk about time and space. This is space constant, and this is time unlog, and this is time as well. This is all of them, to be honest. But you pick the worst one, so it's going to be unlog for the time, constant for the space, and this is the solution. And I'll see you next time. Bye.